Hey, what's up? Welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to connect Google Sheets API with n8n so that you can read, write, play with different type of data within Google Sheets. So let's get started with this. So I have a node over here for n8n which actually requires Google Sheet connection. So we already have connected one, so I'll skip this and I'll create a new one so that you guys actually know. So what you have to do is make sure you have auth2 connected over here, and this URL is also important. You need to have this URL as well. If you click over here on this open docs, you will able to see all the details. You can follow the process. It will exactly do the same. If you look at over here, it's creating credential, auth count, and it's creating a web application. So this is exactly what you need. So after that, what you can do is just go to Google Cloud. So it will be cloud.google.com. There you will be able to see a screen like this. You need to create a project. Just create a project over here and name it, for example, n8n videos, and then simply create an account. Once you are going to create an account, you will see within few minutes your account is created. Just select the project. So it's actually a project that you created within Google Cloud. So once that's done, search for Google Sheets over here and you will be able to find Google Sheets API. Just click enable. It will enable the Google Sheets. So before using any service in Google Cloud, you need to make sure you have enabled that. So that's the normal process for Google Cloud. So now this is enabled. You will go to credentials, and then you will be able to see an option over here where you need to click on Google Client ID, and then here you will see this configure consent screen. We will click over here, get started. You can name the application anything. You can select your own email. You can select internal if you are actually not using Google Workspace, but you can select external. But again, you will have to add your email to the test user if you want to actually use this process. So if you are using Google Workspace, you should be able to select internal. So if you are on Google Workspace, you can just select that, click next, and then you will write your email over here, finish, next, create. So now you will click over here on clients. You will go to create and you will select web application, and you can name anything over here, but you will need this authorized redirect URI. So what is this? This is the URL you will see on n8n. You will copy that, paste it over here, and create. So this is basically callback URL, which tells n8n that you have configured the settings. And after that, what you will see is client ID and client secret. These are the most important things. So make sure you download this JSON file so that you don't lost these files. So if you want to later connect something, instead of creating a new client ID and secret, you can use the previous one as well. So just copy this, paste client ID over here, then copy client secret, paste it over here, and now you have to save it. So now let's see what will happen when we will connect. So now we are going to connect this, select the email. So you can see this option over here which says access blocked, because when we actually created it, it said you need to add your email in the tested users. So we are going to add that now. So now if you're going to, for example, in documentation, test user, you will search for that, you will find this audience page, and you will need to add your signing in these test users. So you will go to the audience, and here you just need to add your email address over here. So it will be this email which you want to connect. So once you have added this email, you can save, and after saving you can publish the app and confirm. and that's done. So now what you have to do is just come back over here, click sign in again, click the email address that you want to connect, advance, and go, select all, continue, and congratulations, you have connected. So your account is actually connected. Now if you actually execute this, you should be able to see the data. So right now there is nothing in the file, so you will not be able to see anything. So that's how you connect your Google. So if you need any customized automation, you can find my calendar link in description, and let's book a 15-minute meeting where I can show you how can I help your company to implement automation.